Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not a.
Welcome to Cambodia. We're in the Killing Fields. Okay, so today I am at the most important places in Cambodia, the Killing Fields. And before you panic, don't worry, I'm not about to trauma dump on you. We're learning, we're respecting, and yes, I'm still me. This place looks calm, almost too calm. Trees, birds, open space. But what happened here changed Cambodia forever. So first, what are the Killing Fields? The Killing Fields are sites across Cambodia where people were imprisoned and executed during the Khmer Rouge regime between 1975 and 1979. There was actually over 300 killing sites around the country, but the most famous one is just outside Phnom Penh, which is where I am right now. Back then, Cambodia was ruled by a group called the Khmer Rouge, and their goal was to turn Cambodia into a farming-only society. No cities, no money, no religion, no schools. Sounds extreme, right? Yes, it was. If you were educated, wore glasses, spoke a foreign language, or were even suspected of being an intellect, you were considered a threat. That's how nearly 2 million people lost their lives in just 4 years. 2 million people. And this is an example of one of the mass graves on the fields. That number still blows my mind. People were taken from prisons and transported here to these killing fields. Most were told they were being relocated. They didn't know this was the end. There was no court, no trial, just silence. You know what really hit me is that executions weren't done with guns because bullets back then were considered too expensive. So people were killed with farming tools, which makes this place feel even heavier, because it looks so ordinary. And yet, what I appreciate about how Cambodia preserves the killing fields is that it's not about the shock value, it's about remembering. Okay, deep breath together, because as heavy as this is, there's something important I want you to take away. Cambodia didn't stay broken. The fact that this site exists, open to the public, educational, honest, shows resilience. This country chose remembrance over denial. And honestly, that takes strength. Visiting Cambodia and wondering whether the killing fields are too sad to see, I get it. But learning about the Cambodian genocide isn't about being depressed. It's about understanding why kindness, education, and critical thinking matters. It puts life into perspective real quick. You walk out of there hugging your freedom a little tighter. So if you're in Phnom Penh, I really do recommend visiting these killing fields respectfully, thoughtfully, and with an open mind. Take your time, read the signs, listen to the audio guide if you can, and afterwards go eat something delicious, laugh, and live, because there's something many people here never got the chance to do. Thanks for walking through history with me today. And if you found this meaningful, share it with your friends or someone who loves learning while traveling. And as always, travel cautiously, travel kind, and I'll see you on my next one.